development, and more of good things to come. We have, of course, this time, another very special speaker and guest to join us here on stage. He is, of course, a former Philippine senator, and he is the co-founder of PasaJob, a startup that matches individuals to prospective jobs using a patented referral technology. He is also a co-founder of Me Games, another startup that incubates Filipino video game developers, and founder of BAM Gaming, an esports and gaming brand that seeks to provide a platform to showcase the world-class talent of Filipino gamers. Ladies and gentlemen, PGDX, please give a big, warm welcome to former Senator Bam Aquino.
Hi everyone, magandang hapon to all the gamers out there. Good afternoon. Yes, actually I don't really have a talk today. I just like to invite everyone. Unang-una sa BAM Gaming Facebook page. We've been running tournaments all over the country. Cagayan de Oro, Bohol, Dumaguete, Iloilo, Cebu, and many more to come for the rest of the year and next year. Sa mga friends dito na nasa esports world, we're running Mobile Legends tournaments now, but soon we will be including new games, probably 2K, Tekken, and many, many more. So please watch out for that. Kung interesado po kayo sa esports, please check out the BAM Gaming Facebook page and follow. Ginawa namin to dahil naniniwala ho kami, we need a platform to showcase the world talents of our Filipino esports players. Sa buong mundo, ang mga Pinoy, nag-rank tayo sa pinakamagagaling at pinakamatataas. And we believe that there are more players out there, outside of Metro Manila, outside of the usual places, and we're doing our best na hanapin sila, bigyan sila ng plataforma para ma-showcase yung talent nila. So please check that out. Secondly, I'd also like to talk about Me Games. Si Andro talked about it. Alexis also earlier talked about it. But we're inviting all of the Filipino video game developers here to send us your demo on Me Games. Andro and Alex are here. Pakisend na lang po sa amin. We put up a fund that's there to support our next world-class Filipino video game. We believe that tayo po mga Pinoy, we have the talent and the skills to make these games. So we're really hoping, may nanalo. We're really hoping that you can come in, send your demos. We'll do our best to support you kung fit tayo, and we hope to help publish the next video game that will go to the worldwide market. So Bam Aquino Gaming, and of course, Me Games for everybody here. So thank you again. Maraming salamat and good afternoon to everyone.
Thank you very much, Sir Bam. Quick questions lang.
Yes.
When it comes to BAM Gaming, what was the vision behind it starting, and of course, ano ba yung nag-inspire sa inyo para buuin yun, first and foremost?
Yes, well, una-una, we've been helping the esports scene for years. Actually, since 2016. And nakita namin how it's grown, how it's become mainstream. Nung nagsimula yan, yung mga esports players natin, hindi masyadong napapansin, hindi nabibigyan ng support. Ngayon, ang ating esports nasa SEA Games na, nasa Asian Games na. It's on network TV already.
Definitely.
With MPL, and we're getting a lot of support. But we feel that even with all of that support, a lot of it nakakoncentrate sa Metro Manila.
Right.
A lot of it nakakoncentrate sa mga schools here in Metro Manila. And we know that there are a lot of players all over the Philippines. Kaya, nagsimula kami, we did our first tournament in Cagayan de Oro, in Mindanao. We did our second to our sixth tournament in the Visayas. Bohol, Dumaguete, Cebu, Iloilo, and Bacolod. So, very soon, we're gonna have tournaments in Bicol, in South Luzon, in Central Luzon, and hopefully by next year, a true tournament of champions na nationwide. So, every place we go, we get a lot of support from our Mobile Legends players, and ang pangunahing sinasabi nila, Senator Bam, how do we show what we can do to the rest of the Philippines, and more so the world? So we hope BAM Gaming can be the platform for that. Mapakita natin yung galing ng mga Pinoy sa esports, not just here in the Philippines, pero pati rin sa mundo.
Definitely. So basically, you started first with the first franchise natin is MLBB talaga.
Yes, so Mobile Legends, of course, alam natin sa esports, practically 80% of people play Mobile Legends, but marami na rin lumapit na ibang games. So sa fighting, the Tekken people lumapit na. Sa sports, the 2K people lumapit na. And some other surprises we're cooking up. Hopefully, we'll have more games that we can offer in the next months.
Hopefully, meron ding FPS.
Well, everything now is mobile, so maybe CODM.
Yes.
We talked to Tencent, actually.
Okay.
But they were pitching PUBG more than CODM. No? It's both naman with them. Of course, depende rin yan which companies we can partner with. But definitely, nakikita namin na it can be a platform for more Pinoys to get discovered and to showcase their talent to the rest of the Philippines and the rest of the world.
Definitely. I'm so excited with that plan to really do an inter-regional competition with all these players.
Yes.
That's very exciting. Now, of course, from the side naman of game developers, we
Yes.
have, of course, Me Games. So, what was the vision behind this?
Actually, si Andro and I have been talking about this for years, since 2016. It's always been our dream to actually make a game. Although hindi naman ako talented enough to make a game. So we said we want to support people who make games. And nakita namin yung industriya. We know that a lot of our Filipino video game companies do work for other companies.
Right,
In
right.
fact, a number of the companies there in the back, they do work for some of the best companies in the world. AAA, corporate tie-ins, may Pilipinong may ginawa dyan. Even the top games now, Diablo 4, may Pinoy na gumawa ng something there. But we never have our own IP.
Right.
We
that's
don't
true.
have our own intellectual property. We always do work for other people. And naisip namin, the best way to have a Filipino-made video game na gawa dito, na may IP na talagang gawa sa Pilipinas, is to support our indie game developers. So we're looking for those game developers na medyo advanced ng konti, meaning there may be a few months away or a year away from coming out with their game. And we're hoping to be the catalyst to help them finish. Kasi when you make video games, according to some of the people we work with, the first 70% is the easiest, the last 30% is the hardest. Kasi yun yung tinatapos mo talaga yung game. And that's usually when your money runs out. So a lot of our video game developers, they make their games on the side. They do work for other companies. Pag may oras, ginagawa nila yung game na malapit sa puso nila. We want to support them and really give them the time and the resources to make the game they want to make. Hopefully, help them publish it abroad, get on Game Pass, eShop, get on PSN, help them market it also, and really create a name for the Philippines when it comes to video game development. So we all know about CD Projekt Red and how that did so much for Poland. We know companies like Larian Studio, mga smaller companies nagsimula but they ended up with their own AAA games. Malayo pa tayo doon, pero that's a good vision, di ba? A small team, maybe of 3 to 15, getting the right support, coming out with their games, and eventually, as they make more games, be able to create space in the world for our video game developers. Ang laking hinayang namin is that we do work for the best companies producing the best games, but it's never an IP na gawa ng Pilipino. And hopefully, Me Games can be there to support our indie video game developers who can come out with something na gawa dito. So we showcase our talent not just through other people's work, pero yung gawa talaga sa atin. We're actually helping one now. I don't think we can divulge yet which one, but you'll be seeing it soon. It's almost like it's really polished. Something we can all be very proud of, and we hope the Philippines can get behind supporting this game that can really create space for us in the rest of the world.
That's something really exciting. But when it comes to these games, is it only limited to certain consoles only or mobile only or...
Well, actually right now, we're looking at PC, Xbox, Sony, Nintendo. We're not looking at mobile yet. But wala naman kaming hard and fast rule. If the board likes your game, we'll probably support it, no? There's a number of us on the board, but notable for the game developers is Andro, who of course spoke earlier, na one of the heads of Game Ops, former vice president of GDAP, and Walter De Torres of Pixel Mafia, which is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, game art studio in the Philippines. So ako na yung mascot doon, no? Ako yung mascot doon. But with me are people who are really knowledgeable in the game development industry. And we don't only offer resources, but also the time, the expertise. Walter, for example, has worked with EA, Microsoft. He worked on the original Gears of War. He worked with EA for some of the sports games. And development of that is, of course, something that he knows very well. Ria Lu, of course, is part of GDAP. She's also on the board. Gary and Andro, of course, on the business side. And again, ako lang po yung mascot doon. I'm just the one, you know, I put on the enthusiast hat. No? As somebody who's played games ever since he was 6 years old, yun yung pinaka-contribution ko if something is fun or not. But everyone else have really worked in the video game development world. And we're really hoping that Me Games can be a good support system for many of the games that can come out of our country.
That's good to hear. So basically for Me Games talaga, it's from coding to marketing to publishing.
Yes, yes.
That's wonderful. Speaking of which, kanina sir nasabi nyo, you're a very fan, a gamer, avid gamer as well. So ano bang umuubos ng oras mo ngayon sir na game?
Magandang sinabi mo, umuubos ng oras. Kasi ubos talaga oras mo sa Baldur's Gate 3. So
Okay.
I don't know if there are any Baldur's Gate fans out there.
Anyone?
Anyone?
Ayun,
Only
meron
for the
sa-
real nerds. Only for the real nerds like us. D&D fans out there. It's very life-consuming. So I had to take a step back kasi and limit my playtime kasi it was getting like 2 hours, 3 hours. So ngayon parang 30 minutes to 45 minutes a day dalag siya. But if you are a video game developer, please play that game to get inspired.
Okay.
If you're a video game developer, play Zelda Tears of the Kingdom to get inspired. Play Final Fantasy 16 to get inspired. There's so many good games this year na masasabi mong top of their genre. So, spoiled tayo for 2023 and video games.
Definitely. That's really good to hear. Kasi sir, baka may nag-iisip baka pwede raw kayong maka-1v1 ba? Sa ML.
Mapapatay niyo ako in like 2 minutes. You know,
Feeding ang mangyayari.
So I like to play. Doesn't mean I'm good at it, di ba? But I do like to play.
It's all for the fun indeed. All right. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Now, speaking of fun, we have a bunch of giveaways we're gonna be handing over for this afternoon to all our attendees ngayong hapon. So, listen up, because of course, we're just gonna play a very simple Bring Me game. Ganito lang yun. All I have to do is, I'm gonna ask for some things from you guys. If you have it, join us here on stage. Bring it on in. Kung sino man ang una makakapag-abot sa amin gets to win some cool BAM merch and of course, 1,000 pesos. Legit cash. Saktong pambili ng mouse. Pwede na. Hindi pa ata kasya sa keycaps eh. Pero pwede na rin. Baka may naka-discount na keycaps. Jinel. Alright. Let's go. First, bring me a selfie with a cosplayer. Ang bilis. Teka, 5, 4, 3, 2... Ay, Dakis from Farlight 84. Congratulations. Picture muna tayo. Brother, picture daw. Yan. Smile. Ganong kabilis. So, check your phones na. And everything that you have at hand. Next, bring me natin. Siyempre, it's all about good stuff and good finds here at PGTX. So, bring me any event merch. Ay, ito mo sabihin. Okay na. Lockdown. Teka, merch from saan yan? W3GD. Okay, all good. Thank you. Congrats. Alright. Smile. Okay, next naman natin. Siyempre, gaming is not fun kung wala tayong mga kaduo, tropa, and of course, kaklan. So, can you bring me a selfie with your friends here at PGDX? Oh, kalka. Oy! Ang bilis. Okay. Congratulations. All good. All right. Okay, last. Oh no, wait. Still got what? So, last 3. Okay, last 3. Sige, ito na muna. Siyempre, pagpataas din ng followers. Baka naman meron dyang screenshot na nakafollow sa BAM Gaming on Facebook. Check page na, dali. Sabay click, dali. Click notify na dyan. Click follow na agad. Sino ba una? Okay, 2 winners na raw, sir. Come on. You're very lucky, guys. Check, check. Oh, kailangan. Dude, hindi. Oy, sorry. Ah, ayun. Ayun. Okay na, okay na, okay na. Okay na, 3 winners na daw. Okay, Sir Bam. Okay, one last here. All right. Gentlemen, smile. And enjoy your merch. Thank you, thank you. Final words lang po.
Guys, congrats to all of the presenters here, especially yung mga indie developers natin. Congrats to the organizers. PGDX, palakpakan naman ho natin sila. They've been working at this for months. Ang tagal ho nila tinatrabaho to para po sa inyo. So congrats to PGDX, congrats to everyone, and thank you so much. Game on, tuloy lang.
Thank you very much. Again, big round of applause for former Senator Bam Aquino. Palakpakan naman natin. That is it. Thank you again. Please make sure to follow, of course, this page, BAM Gaming and Me Games as well. So we expect some of our indie game developers here for this afternoon to submit their proposals already. And who knows, this might be the opportunity you have been long waiting for to put those games into the bigger screen. All right.